Hi Mrs. Welcome back to Miss Math, and today we'll do from number 11 to 20 KPSEA 2023. Stick around, get a book and a pencil, and let's do these questions together. So we'll start with number 11. The height of water in a dam increased by 5 centimeter after it rained. What is the increase in the height of water in millimeter? So you start with your conversion. You write 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So we are changing from centimeter to meters. That means the number is increasing. We have to multiply it by 10. So we are changing the 5 centimeter. So 5 times 10 will be 50 millimeter. Therefore, the answer is A. The next question, number 12. A teacher drew the following shape on the board. What is the perimeter of the shape? So for perimeter, we are adding all around the shape. We are going to add the 15, 10. So we add 15 plus 10 plus 8 plus another 10. And last but not least, we have 15. So we add all that. So 15 and 15, that is 30, 40, 50, 58. Therefore, our perimeter is 58 centimeter. And therefore, the answer is D. Number 13, a ribbon is 31 centimeter, 6 millimeter long. Rehema cut 5 centimeter, 3 millimeter of the ribbon to make a flower. What length of the ribbon remained? So remain, that means you're going to subtract. So we have the column for centimeter and millimeter. We put 31 and 6, 5 and 3. Go ahead and minus. 6 minus 3 is 3. 31 minus 5 is 26. So we have 26 centimeter, 3 millimeter. Next question, number 14. A wall of a rabbit hutch is in the shape of a rectangle and a triangle as shown. So what is the area of the wall? Now to find the area of the wall, we need to do the area of the triangle and add it to the area of the rectangle. Let's start with the triangle. So to find the triangle, you're going to do a half base times height. And our base is, so if this is 65, then that means the base is also 65. So we do a half times 65 times 24. So cancel by 2, 1 by 2, 12. So now we do 65 times 12. We multiply 65 by 2. So 5 times 2 is 10. Carry the 1 there. 6 times 2 is 12. Add the 1, 13. Don't put any number there. 5 times 1 is 5. 6 times 1 is 6. Go ahead and add. So we have 0, 8, 7. 780 for the triangle. Let's do the area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle is going to be length times width. Our length is 74, width is 65. So we multiply those two values. So 74 times 65. 4 times 5 is 20, 0 carry 2. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 2, 37. No number there. 4 times 6 is 24, 4 carry 2. 7 times 6 is 42, plus 2 is 44. Now we go ahead and add. 0 plus nothing is 0. 7 plus 4 is 11. Carry 1, that is 8. So 4,810. We add it to the 780. So plus 780. That was the area of the triangle. So add that. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 8 is 9. 8 plus 7 is 15. Carry 1. And that is 5,590 centimeters squared. The answer is B. Let's go to number 15. Kimeto drinks 3.7 liters of water every day. How many milliliters of water does he drink? So this one is about converting. So 1 liter is equivalent to 1,000 milliliters. Now we're converting from liters to milliliters. So that means we multiply by 1,000. So we're going to take the 3.7 times 1,000. So write out the 37 with the 3 zeros, ignore the decimal point. Then how many decimal places do we have? We have only one. So that means you're going to remove 1 0 from the end. So that means the answer will now be 3,700. So the answer is C. Move on to number 16. A road construction company mixed sand and small stones. The mass of sand was 18 tons, 481 kilograms. The mass of small stones was 12 tons, 394 kilograms. What is the total mass of the mixture? Total means we add. So we have the tons column and the kg. So 18 tons, 481. Then we add it to the 12 tons, 394. We add that. So 1 plus 4 is 5. 8 plus 9 is 17. Put 1 there. 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 2, 10. And that one gives us 3. So 30 tons, 875 kilograms. Number 17, a tree processing factory distributed fertilizers to farmers using 4 lorries. Each lorry carried 24 tons, 235 kilograms of fertilizers. What was the total mass of the fertilizers distributed? So each lorry is carrying, 24 tons. So this column is 4 tons and the other side is kilograms. So we have 24 tons, 235. Let me write this one again. So 24. That is 1 lorry. So for 4 lorries, you're going to do that times 4. So we multiply the kilograms first. 5 times 4 is 20, so 0. Carry 2. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14. 4, carry 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 940. Then we go ahead and do 4 times 4 is 16. 6, carry 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus that 1 is 9. Therefore, the answer will be 96 tons, 940 kilograms. So the answer is A. Number 18. A flour company exported 40... Wait, let me write that number again. Let me write this number, 485. And how many zeros? Those are 4 zeros. Please ignore the... Okay, anyway, so that is 4,850,000. How many tons of fresh flowers did the company export? So this one is in kg. We want to change it into tons. 1 ton is equivalent to 1,000 kg. So to change from kg to tons, we're going to divide it by 1,000. So divide that figure by 1,000. Remove those 3 zeros like that, and you're ending up with 4,850 tons. Therefore, our answer is C. Number 19. Wambua represented his school in a music festival. He began his performance in the afternoon at the time shown on the clock face. At what time did Wambua begin his performance? So this one, you just need to read the time carefully. The shorthand indicates the hour, so it's in between 2 and 3, so that means the time currently is 2 o'clock. The longhand points at the minute, so it's pointing at 7. That means you're going to do 7 times 5. It will give us 35 minutes. So that will be 2:35. And now to figure out whether it's morning or afternoon, he began his performance in the afternoon. That means it's going to be PM. So the answer there is C. Don't worry, I'm recording this video in the morning, so I have some company over here. Anyway, let's move on. Number 20, the last one. Let me see, we did number 19. Okay, the table shows a travel timetable for a train from Manga station to Pate through Nanga. A tourist traveled from Manga station to Pate using the train. How long did the journey take? So from Manga station to Pate. Manga station, the departure time was 6:15. So he left at 6:15 and then he arrived at what time? Pate, 11:54. So you need to find the difference there. So let's take the final time, 11:54 a.m. because both of them are in a.m. You can go ahead and minus 6:15. 4 minus 5 is impossible. Borrow from there becomes 4. That is 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. 4 minus 1 is 3. And 11 minus 6 is 5. So it took 5 hours, 39 minutes. And that is it for today's video. Please stick around. I'll make another video for 21 to 30. Thank you for watching. And please remember to share with your friends, like and comment, and remember to subscribe as well. Thank you. Bye. Until next time.